A contract farming scheme for the country's rice producers in collaboration with the National Irrigation Administration was unveiled today in Nueva Ecija, where the House Speaker presided over the grand launching of the BBM Rice Program. Our Mela Las Moras took her team to the program's unveiling, and she filed this report.
Rodrigo has been a farmer here in Nueva Ecija for 20 years now. He shared the various challenges have always been part of his livelihood. Thankfully, the government is always there to support them. One of the government programs dedicated for farmers like Rodrigo is the Rice Contract Farming Program, in which the National Irrigation Administration partners with farmers from production to selling phase to have a more productive harvest.
Malaking tulong po para sa amin ito. Bilang magsasaka, matutulungan po namin yung mga ibang maliliit na magsasaka po, katulad ng ngayon nga po, pagbagsak presyo ng bigas po.
Today, as a result of NIA's Rice Contract Farming Program, the Bagong Bayaning Magsasaka or BBM Rice has been successfully launched nationwide, which coincide with the birthday of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. NIA Administrator Eduardo Guillen led the grand launching ceremony, which was held in Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. House Speaker Martin Romualdez served as the guest of honor, accompanied by Senior Deputy Speaker Aurelio Don Gonzales Jr. and Appropriations Committee Chair Elizalde Co. Compared to regular rice, BBM rice is priced at only 29 pesos per kilogram, which can be purchased at NIA regional offices.
Ngayong araw ay nagkaroon na ng katuparan ang adhikain ng ating mahal na Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na makapaghatid ng abot-kaya ngunit dekalidad na bigas sa mga mamamayang Pilipino. Ito rin po ay isang paraan ng pagpapasalamat ng ating ahensya sa ating mga bagong bayaning magsasaka na siyang bida sa programang ito.
Apart from BBM Rice, the Kadiwa ng Pangulo was also launched during the program, showcasing various local products from the province. And because it was the President's birthday, the House leadership bought all the goods and distributed them to the people. When asked about their birthday greetings and wishes for the Chief Executive, the House leaders had this to say.
Sa ating mga Presidente, we wish you health, we wish you to continue your vision. We are all out in support for you. Take care of yourself. Do not work too hard on your birthday.
Alam niyo po, nung panahon ng tatay niya, kung paano niya mahal yung mga farmers, ganyan din po ang ating mahal na Pangulo. Kaya, Mr. President, happy birthday po and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, President, Mr. President, at kami po ay nagagalak at sa inyong birthday at kayo po ay nagtatrabaho para sa ating mga magsasaka. And maraming salamat po sa suporta at binibigay niyo para mapababa ang ating presyo ng bigas at ang contract farming.
Some of the residents also shared their well wishes.
Nabati ko po ang mahal na Pangulo. Wish ko po sa kanya ay mahabang buhay at kalusugan.
Isang maligayang pagbati ng kanyang kaarawan. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Presidente, kahit ano mangyari. Sa'yo pa rin kami.
From Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.